Imagine a lucid dream. The dreamers there have already learned something amazing. They can multiply themselves. 1 becomes 10. All 10 walk in different directions, do different things, even fly to different places. But the mind is still 1. It's like a single awareness standing to the side, watching all 10 versions at once. The body can split, but the mind, not yet. There is only one thought source. One day in the dream, they meet a teacher. They ask, if we can become 10, can we also think separately? Can each of us have our own mind? The teacher answers, for now. You are only dividing the image. That is why your mind remains 1. But the time will come when you will be in different places for real. Not just watching, but living there at the same time. And before disappearing, he says, you have learned to become many. Now, learn to stay clear. When your awareness becomes stronger, what seems impossible will become natural.